Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to remove your taxes and shipping calculated at checkout on your Shopify store, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight in. On the left-hand side, you can see a bunch of options, and you're going to go down to your sales channels and tap on Online Store. Now, from this online store page, you will see your theme, and on the right-hand side, you will see a Customize button, and you will also see 3 dots. Now, you can tap on Edit Default Theme Content. This may also say Language, depending on what theme you are using. Right from here, you can go all the way to the right hand side, okay? And you will find a sections button from this menu. You're going to tap on sections, and here you're going to travel all the way down until you see cart, and under cart you're going to scroll until you see taxes and shipping policy at checkout, HTML. Now from here, this is what will be shown up. This is the HTML version, and what you want to do is highlight all of that, and you want to backspace it. Now you can't leave this as is. You will have to use a space, and if a space doesn't work, you can use a full stop or a period, and you're going to go ahead and tap on save. This will save your changes, and this will not show up now when you are processing orders. If this was a helpful guide, don't forget to show your support. Drop us a like. That will allow us to continue to make amazing content. See you next time. Peace.